We could have a coronavirus vaccine sooner than anyone thought, but a new poll says most Americans aren't interested.
Fox 35's Danielle Lama is live tonight to explain why. Good evening, Danielle.
Good evening. Yeah, federal health officials say that we could have a vaccine as early as October. But as you guys mentioned, the recent polling is showing a lot of Americans are hesitant about it. As scientists race to find a vaccine for COVID-19, some people say they won't be in any rush to get it.
I'm fairly skeptical. I've actually never even had a flu shot, so I'm probably not going to be quick to run to it.
On the other hand, Philip Maxwell says he's excited to be among the first to have access.
I work in healthcare, so as a healthcare provider, because I'm actually on the front line, we are actually required to get it if we're going to have to continue fighting the pandemic and being on the front doorstep.
Recent polls aim to take the temperature of Americans before the vaccine is approved. A USA Today Suffolk poll says 2/3 of voters won't try and get the vaccine as soon as it's available. A Fox News poll from last month showing around 55% of Americans do plan to get it.
Before COVID started, we were already seeing increases in vaccine hesitancy, so people that either delay or refuse vaccines. So that was before the pandemic.
Rupali LeMay is an associate scientist at the Johns Hopkins School of Public Health. She says there's another element at play right now that may be scaring people away from the vaccine.
Then we have an administration that calls vaccine development Operation Warp Speed. That doesn't necessarily convey a comprehensive, thorough process.
Just Sunday, the head of the FDA said the agency would be willing to consider fast-tracking the vaccine.
So I think what has happened now is that there is a huge concern that there are steps that are being skipped.
And vaccine scientists tell me that they are now concerned that if so many people opt out of the vaccine, that we may not be able to reach herd immunity, and that could prolong the pandemic. Reporting live in Orange County tonight, Danielle Lama, Fox 35 News.